Welcome to Foxy Adventures.
You going to tell what we're doing? Me? Right, so we made some cookies today, haven't we, Scarlett? What have we made?
We got gingerbread man,
Christmas trees.
Christmas tree, lover,
And Christmas bells. Jingle bells.
jingle bells, and the candy cane is broken.
Yeah, the candy canes didn't work out very well, did they? Right, so me, you and Mummy are going to decorate them now, aren't we? Yeah? We've got some red icing, some purple.
Yes, we're making like an eye.
Some green, some pink, some blue, and some white.
White.
Oh, we've got some sprinkles.
Yeah. You like sprinkles.
Yeah.
You have to choose them.
Are you doing the love art first then, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, okay. We'll
Everybody has to do love art.
right, we'll all do the love art first.
You and the seesaw one.
Thank you.
Mummy's got the wobbly one. Right, so we'll decorate these, and then once we decorate them, we'll vote, see which ones are best.
Then we put sprinkles on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do.
Okay then.
Wait.
Right, so we're finished now doing the love arts. Scarlett's decided she wants to eat us. That's Scarlett's. That's mine. There's Mummy's.
Good. Eat it.
Is it nice?
Eat it.
Mmm.
So which one do you prefer, guys? Do you prefer Scarlett's, which is A, Daddy's, which is B, or Mummy's, which is C? Let us know in the comment section.
Time for the cheese.
High five, Scarlett. Finished.
Have to do more.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do more. Right, so that's Scarlett's Christmas tree.
Mine is gone.
My Christmas tree.
Ah.
It's okay.
And mine. So again, which one's best? Scarlett's, A, Daddy's,
B.
B, or Mummy's, C. Let us know in the comments.
We're making Jingle Bell one.
Right, come on then. Let's go.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, my fun is to ride a whoopers up. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Have you got green on it?
No.
No.
Red next.
You could put green on it. You copy your mummy's.
Yeah.
Ah, right, okay. See how it is. I see how it is. So mine's gone from a bell to an hat.
Very nice.
We have to do a
I thought it was
house.
a bit more fun.
We have to do a house.
A house?
Use the spoon.
Where's that house?
We don't
Yeah.
know.
Daddy at the house.
No, we did do a house, but the house didn't turn out very well, did it?
Oops.
So we had to
Do you want me to help? Shall we squeeze it together? Ready?
in the bin.
1, 2, 3. Squeeze. Ah.
looks like blood.
Ew!
Yeah.
Blood.
Might use the spoon now to smooth it down.
Are we
Use this one.
eating?
This one's got, that's got white on it.
Dad said use that one. Oh no. Careful. Ew!
You're supposed to be putting it on, not eating it.
Dad. Right, ready?
Someone's going to have a sugar rush.
Spread.
Want me to hold it for you? Come on. Spread.
Spread.
Stop eating it.
Spread.
That's it.
Ooh, very nice.
Spread, spread, spread.
Stop eating it.
You finished with that?
And white.
White.
A big scrape.
I'll eat down the bottom.
Careful.
So we've got a really exciting video coming up. Have to stay tuned. No. Shouldn't have a clue about it. So it should be really fun.
Na, 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 na.
We know something you don't know.
Well, do you know?
I know.
You know nothing.
You know you know. You know you don't know. We know.
Done.
Don't we, Daddy?
We know.
Yeah.
Done.
Woo!
Whoa! Put those sprinkles on.
Great job.
Ooh,
Sprinkles.
white sprinkles. No?
With
Yeah?
the red. Ooh, very nice.
Beautiful. Right, have we finished?
Have you got you putting
I've got sprinkles on the purple and on the blue, and then I've got sugar sprinkles on the red and the pink.
That's copying.
She's being a copycat. And then on the
Go on,
blue as
Jasmine.
well. You do realise her Jasmine dress is on backwards. Scarlett's backwards. Your hair should be at the front.
No.
Alright, we finished then?
No, I'm not just finished.
No.
Me and Scarlett are matching, aren't we? Matching. Wrong ones. Them ones on the pink bit.
That's bad.
Pink.
That's pink.
Woohoo!
We done.
Should we show everybody now?
Right.
This is mine.
Ah.
Mummy's.
Daddies.
And Scarlett's is matching.
Hey.
Woohoo!
And I touched
Make
on
sure
it.
you
I just
comment
touched
to
on
let us
the
know
icing.
which one was your favourite.
I touched on the icing.
Scarlett's ate lots of icing, so no doubt we're not going to sleep tonight.
No, it's going to be a late one.
Whoop. Well,
Right.
I don't care.
Why don't you care?
Play